Hey guys, Justin the Toolbox Junkie. Today I got to replace these drawer slides on this Matco 6S Toolbox 2019 model. The top drawer, one of the tension adjustment clips broke, so we're going to replace both sets while we have the drawer out. I got the new ones right here. Pretty similar setup to the Snap-on, but there is a couple minor differences. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to replace them in case you have to do it yourself. So stay tuned. So first off, you obviously have to get the drawer out. You're gonna miss me doing that because I already have it done. But these little plastic pieces right here is how you release the drawer. On the left side, these two are gonna go up, and on the right side, you're gonna press them down. A little bit easier to show you over here. So this one, you press up, and then it retracts the slide. So this is the part here that goes on the drawer. This is the piece that's going to go in the toolbox. And the way it's attached, you got a little tab here, a tab here, a tab here, and then you got a little screw that holds it in. That's one of the differences between the Snap-on and the Matco. Snap-on doesn't use screws. They have like a little lock tab. Although in the past they did use screws, over 20 years ago. But that's one of the few differences. Side of the box, and then on the inside of the box where it's attached to the toolbox, you've got a little retaining clip there, and then you got Torx screws holding it in. This is a size T20. Once we take those screws out, we'll see what's holding it in the rest of the way. I don't know if you guys ever wondered how the lock mechanism worked on a Matco toolbox, but here's your best view. It's similar to a Snap-on toolbox where it's got the lock rods that drop. So this bar here, as you turn the key, pushes up on that structure in the back, which pulls up these three lock rods that have notches cut out. As they drop, they catch a hook on the back of the drawer, which keeps the drawer locked. So right now it's open. That's the lock. Do it again. You can see they lift up. That's unlocked. And if you want to lock, just like that. All right, now we gotta put the new ones on. Just line the clips. Just give it a little tap, I'm gonna break it. Make sure it's seated. Holes look like they lined up. One thing I noticed about these slides versus Snap-on is these hooks are actually reversed. So on the Snap-ons, they actually go this way. So when you're installing the slide, you actually push this back towards the back of the box, where the Matco ones, you're actually pulling towards you. So I think it's kind of ass backwards, but what do I know? Okay, so there's one. So pain in the ass taking them out, but kind of easier to put them back in. So make sure you get the slots in, and just give it a tug until they snap in, and we just put the screws back in. T20 forks. And there you go. Good as new. And then you just got to mess with your tension to your desired release point. I had to modify this, shave this down a little bit because it was rubbing. Good old quality control.